we have a question. Why CH3 whole thrice n is more basic than SiH3 whole thrice n? ये पूछा हुआ क्वेश्चन है. It's very important, very interesting also. In CH3 whole thrice n, what happens? This nitrogen is nitrogen whose configuration is 1s2, 2s2, p3 is sp3 hybridized. So we get 4 hybrid orbitals. Okay. And now one of the hybrid orbital is completely filled, and that is LP. So the type of since the type of hybridization is sp3, it should be tetrahedral, whereas since one corner is occupied by lone pair of electron, it is actually pyramidal. So nitrogen and CH3, 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 and one of the corner is occupied by lone pair of electrons. Okay. In SiH3 whole thrice n, what happens? One of the 2s electron get excited to 2p, and the type of hybridization is not sp3, rather it is sp2. So the lone pair of electron is actually present in one of the p orbitals. The lone pair of electron is present in one of the p orbitals. Now what happens? Silicon has vacant d orbitals. Silicon has vacant d orbitals, and this p orbital, which is completely filled of nitrogen, and the vacant d orbital, that is of silicon, इनके बीच में overlapping होती है, and this bond is called back bond. This bond is called what? Back bond. And due to back bond, see, back bonding के कारण क्या होता क्या है यहाँ पे? एक तो bond strength बढ़ जाती है, bond strength काफी ज्यादा बढ़ गई, ठीक है, और दूसरा अब ये जो बैक बॉन्ड है अभी नाइट्रोजन और इस सिलिकॉन के बीच में है, तो समटाइम्स इट विल बी बिटवीन दिस SiH3 molecule and nitrogen, and after some time between this SiH3 and nitrogen. So there is a concept of resonance. Now the point is, in CH3 whole thrice n, since this LP is not taking part in back bond kind of thing, this LP is readily available for protonation. This LP is readily available for protonation. So CH3 whole thrice n is more basic because it is readily available, whereas in SiH3 whole thrice n, this LP is not readily available for protonation. Why? Because this LP is taking part in back bond. Is this all right? There is one more thing. Apart from basicity, basicity के अलावा यहाँ पर एक और point आता है कि CH3 whole thrice n is pyramidal, whereas SiH3 whole thrice n is not pyramidal, rather it is trigonal planar. Is this okay? So again, this is a very important question. Clear hai? Thank you.